right, so here's our camera. It's off right now. To shoot video, I'm going to show you how to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to come to the left side. That's this side over here, right? You're going to see there's two buttons. On the right side, there's one button when you have the lens facing away from you. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to come to this top button here and you're going to press it and hold it. And you're going to see this pop up. So the back screen comes on. Now I got to tell you, what's cool about this camera is it's touch screen. You follows me? So you can touch the screen and open up different spots on here, right? But if we want to shoot video, what we want to do is we want to come over to this side where it shows the camera. Now I have it set already on video. If you look up there, you'll see there's a little video icon. So I'm going to be shooting video if I press this button here, because that's where I set it. So if I do that, I'm going to turn it towards me. And so now I've got to click on my left side, and I'm going to just go ahead and shoot a video of myself. And you'll notice it's going to turn red up here. So that means I'm shooting video right now, right? So you can see my face in there. So let's go ahead and turn it off. All right, I'd press the button again, it turns it off. Now, if I wanted to play that, I could come over to here, all right? And if I want to play it, I'm just going to touch that little play button there, watch. Right, I'm going to touch it right there, and it brings this screen up. And then I'm going to go to video, all right, right here, and it's going to give me all the different videos that I shot. All right, so, and I'm thinking that this last one is the one that we want to watch, because all these other ones I shot earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that, and it should play. Notice it's going to turn red up here, so that means I'm shooting video right now, right? So you can see my face in there. So let's go ahead and turn it off. And that's it. That's how you do it. All right. Now, if you want to get back to your regular page, you look up in the corner, there's a little arrow. So all I got to do is touch that arrow. And then I touch it again. And it brings me back to my original page. And I still have those videos on there. Now, we can delete those videos, but I would just leave them for right now, right? And that's basically how you shoot the video and how you play it back. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.